here are the health certificates and the traceability records.
Let me cross-reference the batch numbers on the tablet. Looks good.
Tracing the evolution of goat leather, from ancient hand tanning to the mechanization of the Industrial Revolution, leading to modern computerized processing. Scan registered, 25.5 kilograms, grade A.
Moving to pallet 9.
The SPC data indicates a variance in the goat hide weights.
We should adjust the allocation for the next batch to maintain consistency.
Climate-controlled warehouse storage area maintains constant 3 degrees Celsius, control-to-point accuracy.
We need lot 4B for the current run. Capacity looks good.
Confirmed. The order matches the current inventory count. The results verify compliance with REACH and CPSIA. We can issue the certificate.
This professional documentation station employs Sony Alpha 7R i4 cameras featuring 61 megapixel sensor.
The data is conclusive. We cannot accept this shipment. Initiate the corrective action request immediately.
Confirmed. The quality trends are unacceptable.
First stage washing operation begins as female workers of various ethnicities load approximately 450 kilograms.
Goat hides tumbling at 12 RPM, delivering enhanced cleaning effectiveness. Automated sensors continuously monitor solution.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates membrane filtration technology, removing particles down to 0.1 micron size.
12.25 primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,800.
See this area? It requires additional cleaning before it advances.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing amylase solutions targeting carbohydrate-based contaminants loaded into the drum along with the goat hides.
The contaminants are still visible in the folds. The cleaning was insufficient.
Agreed. We require adjusted chemical concentrations or extended duration.
Conductivity sensors measuring ion concentration in rinse water effluent, where readings below 50 microsiemens per centimeter.
Check the pH on sample 12.
Looks stable at 6.8.
Good. Residuals are well below the threshold.
Check the gauge on VAT 3. Holding steady at 21 Celsius.
Good. Lower the next batch.
12.37. Goat hides remain fully immersed in the soaking solution for 12 to 16 hours, while air and
Continuous monitoring shows the sulfide levels are stable.
Perfect. The liming solution meets the specifications.
Liming processing begins as workers load batches of 400 to 500 kilogram rehydrated goat hide.
The pH level on drum 7 is spiking again. So
I see it. Are you adjusting the rotation sequence?
yes, increasing the chemical flow rate now.
Digital microscopes with image capture and measurement software examining thin cross-sections cut from the sample goat hide specimen reveal.
The splitting thickness is precisely within tolerance.
Confirmed. The robotic guidance system is performing optimally.
The tensile strength on this lot is exceptional.
Meets the premium standard for the jackets.
Consulting at Grant's Timberly. Rotative news. Goat hides under Grimble Brew.
Ons miliyetle besaho, DGR haben Tatar. Vile T-Balance और केश with NT capsule.
The tensile strength on this batch exceeds the requirements for the premium line.
Confirmed. The data looks excellent.
Advanced chromium tanning processing continues in the specialized processing area where goat hides undergo chemical stabilization.
The temperature readings look good on the new batch.
Confirmed. The automated inspection is showing perfect consistency.
Our computerized control systems ensure precision at every stage, verifying dimensional accuracy and material property.
The tensile strength is well within the rigorous standards.
Excellent. The microstructure confirms premium quality. Let's update the database.
Check the pigment penetration levels on the main screen.
Looks good. Color uniformity is exactly within tolerance. The automation is working perfectly.
The saddle brown is perfect.
Yes, the automated system confirms 0 defects on this lot.
Industrial-scale dyeing operations process goat leather, utilizing high-capacity equipment and computerized.
See how the pigment penetration leveled out here? That's the result of the new automate cycle.
Impressive uniformity.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues using industrial-grade German machinery and Italian precision tools.
Industrial-scale dyeing and color application operations process goat leather through pigment penetration and
Sophisticated dyeing and color application facility handles goat hide processing through pigment penetration and color.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations ensure dimensional stability, utilizing high-capacity equipment and
Advanced drying and conditioning operations continues in the specialized processing area, where goat hides undergo moisture removal and dimensional stability.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process goat leather through moisture removal and
Utilizing high-capacity processing equipment and precision measurement instruments, we ensure dimensional stability.
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing operations process goat leather through fiber manipulation.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where goat hides
professional softening and mechanical processing, employing state-of-the-art manufacturing technology including robotic assistance and automated quality inspection.
Cowhide process through fiber manipulation.
Experienced African-American female technicians monitoring critical parameters, ensuring every jacket's component meets exacting quality standards for premium leather goods manufacturing.
Professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled operators manage the goat hide material.
It does close to the boat. Use a grain sand and keep there, whichever is good. It doesn't need to work.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where goat hide.
Professional precision cutting and pattern optimization proceeds as skilled East Asian male operators.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where goat hides undergo component preparation for assembly.
The tensile strength is well within parameters.
Confirmed. The color saturation is perfect on this batch.
Computer-controlled automation systems with experienced Hispanic female technicians monitoring critical parameters, ensuring every jacket.
Utilizing high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control systems, we verify dimensional accuracy.